So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Landmark Luxuria Moshi, which is located near Vahile Nagar, Moshi, Pune and developed by Landmark Township. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before checking out the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the project overview with the help of 3D model. Landmark Luxuria will be constructed on 2.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers. Each tower will be having basement plus ground plus 18 floors with 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी की। आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट। मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस, उसी के बैक साइड में आपको मिल जाता है इनका लैंड पार्सल। कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट इज़ जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर मोशी अलांदी रोड, मोशी, पुणे। और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है देहू फाटा विद इन 1.6 किलोमीटर, वदगांव चौक विद इन 2.8 किलोमीटर एंड रिलायंस स्मार्ट ऑल्सो इन 2.8 किलोमीटर. And now coming to the amenities part of the project, with the help of 3D model, Landmark Luxuria has 35 plus luxurious amenities like multi-purpose court, swimming pool, kids party club, jogging track, gymnasium and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Landmark Luxuria has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences, and 2 BHK is starting from 723 to 798 square feet and 3 BHK is starting from 848 to 987 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and will show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was a project overview of Landmark Luxuria Moshi, which is located near Vahile Nagar, Moshi, Pune and developed by Landmark Township. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.